just a quick update. This is the layout as it is at the moment, which I've changed quite a bit since last time. As remember, it used to be able to see the full circuit, but I've put this divider sky board in between it just to break it up, because I thought it was just looking a little bit too busy, and I thought it'd just be easier to ballast and all that, so having less track and points to worry about. So that's what I've done at the moment. Yeah, so I've just been sort of playing around with a few ideas for the scenery and that. I've made nice. Well, I've made, if it's nice, but I've made a bit of. It has a bit of an industrial feel about it. So you can see it's got industrial units there, diesel fuel tanks there, an old commercial unit with lots of graffiti on it. Another little sort of railway yard enclosure there, and car park, another yard which I might make into a scrap yard, so like some old beat up cars and that in it. So and another sort of TMD type scene there. So yeah, it's just a bit simpler than before, a little bit less sort of busy, and less is more, as I say. So I think these two are using running codes, but